to fix if power surge on the USB port error keeps popping up in Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for Device Manager. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In this list, go down and you'll find USB controllers. Click on it to expand it. You'll find these three options. Click on USB root hub, which is USB 3.0. Click on Properties, then go to Power Management. Make sure there is no tick mark and allow the computers to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Then do same with the first option, Intel R USB 3.0, and then click on OK. And you're good to go. That's how you fix if power surge on the USB port error keeps popping up in Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.